Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about leaving a dock and returning to it. First, we're going to be putting our dock lines aboard. That's our painter or bow dock line. That's tied to our bow handle. It's about a 25-foot line that we use to tie ourselves onto wherever we're docked. Now we're going to power on our outboard. You can see the button there. We're going to push the tiller to port so that we'll turn towards our starboard side while we're reversing. And so our reverse is going to be our clockwise twist of our outboard motor. And we're pushed to port, turning to starboard. You can see how that's working in this image. We'll keep on reversing with those angles. And right about here, we're gonna turn our rudder and tiller on the center line to point ourselves straight. And we're gonna be in neutral, so we're not gonna be twisting the outboard motor either way. Now we're gonna turn it counterclockwise towards forward. We're gonna push our tiller to our starboard side so that we'll turn a little bit to our port side on our way out of this channel. Around 200 watts here. And our crew is going to stow our dock lines, which is our painter. And we're going to return to the dock now and show you that. So, our goals for return are we want to slowly approach the docks, we want to choose which dock it is, and we want it to go where we'll be parking our boat on our port side since that's where our lines are ready. And to do that, we're going to slowly pass the dock that we want to go into so that we can approach it at a 45-degree angle with our boat. And when we get about a foot away from the dock, we're going to turn our outboard to neutral, so we're going to kill our power, and turn slightly away so that we get parallel to the dock that we want to get on. And when we're up right next to the dock, our crew standing on the port rail of our boat right next to the dock is going to gently step onto the dock without pushing the boat away from the dock and start securing the boat to the pillings there with our painter. So we can see that happening now. We're coming back into the channel at about 15 watts. We're going to begin the turn right around here, going past our dock and then turning into it so that we can approach it at that 45-degree angle, a 45-degree angle between the dock and the boat. We're going to start killing power and preparing our dock lines, gently stepping off to not push the boat away, and securing your boat to your dock. And thank you guys. That's basically how you leave a dock and how you come back and secure it in. See you later, and breezes.